Hi all! In today's Ammi Samayal's recipe video, I'm back with another interesting recipe, that is temple style one pot pongal. For that, the main ingredient I'll be using is Ammi Samayal's country moong dal. Now this is unpolished and traditional variety moong dal that is packed with 100% protein. Here I have taken 1 cup of raw rice, and for that I have taken half cup of moong dal. Now I'm going to mix both of them in a bowl, and I'm going to wash it thoroughly with water and soak it in water for at least 20 minutes. Hand pounding the fresh spices will always give you rich flavor in any recipe that you use. Now here I am taking 1 tablespoon pepper and 2 tablespoons of jeera. I am going to pound it to a coarse powder. Now this is done. Along with this, the other 2 ingredients that I will be adding at the beginning are bunch of curry leaves and an inch of ginger. I'm going to peel the skin and crush it. Next, in a cooker, I'm going to add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of Ammi Samayal's wood pressed sesame oil. It's 100% wood pressed oil with chemical and preservatives free. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the coarsely ground pepper and jeera powder, crushed ginger, handful of curry leaves, 2 to 3 green chilies slit, and finally some hing. I'm going to saute it till all the spices blend well and turn aromatic. Now it's time to add the soaked rice and moong dal that I had left it for at least 20 minutes. I'm going to drain out all the water and add them. Giving it all a good mix. Now I'm going to add water. I have taken 1 cup rice and half cup moong dal. For that I'm going to add 5 cups of water. Finally, some salt to taste. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of salt. You can add it according to your taste preference. I'm going to mix it all well and allow it to boil. After a few minutes, the water has started to boil. I'm going to close the lid and cook it for 3 whistles on high flame. It is done. Let me open the cooker and show you all how the pongal has been cooked. You can see that the rice and moong dal have cooked perfectly. Smells so aromatic. Temple style one pot pongal is ready to be served. Piping hot temple style one pot pongal is ready to be eaten along with some coconut chutney. If you want to buy Ammi Samayal products, all you have to do is log on to www.ammisamayal.com. You can also download our app on Google Play. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel Ammi Samayal, and don't forget to click the bell icon for more notifications on our upcoming videos. Thank you.